Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable one-handed mode on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on one-handed. Now just enable access mini screen using gesture. Now from here to access one-handed mode, just slide in from the edge of the smartphone and slide out, just like that. Now from here, you can use your smartphone in one-handed mode. And if you tap on this icon over here, you can resize the size of the one-handed mode window, just like that. And if you want to remove one-handed mode, just tap on the X icon over here, just like that. And this is how you can enable one-handed mode on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.